Are you bored of watching English dramas? Don't worry, this week I have come up with 7 different genres of Korean TV dramas available on Netflix and Prime Videos. Now don't get confused about what to watch on your weekends. So without further ado, let's get started. My Mister follows a middle-aged man named Park Do-hoon, who works as a structural engineer in a famous construction company. He is married to a lawyer, and despite living a seemingly good life, he is unhappy with 2 unemployed brothers relying on him, and a wife who is in a secret affair with his CEO. His life turns upside down when he hires a temporary worker, Ji-ang, to his company.
교통사 한 대 맞으면 끝날 감정이라면서요. 끝내고 싶은데 한 대만 때려주죠. 안 때리면 나 좋아하는 걸로 할 거야. 동네방네 소문 낼 거야.
Undoubtedly, this is one of the best Korean drama I ever watched. Each character has their own role in it, and the story unfolds their conflicts, challenges, and dynamics. At times, this drama makes you think and cry with humanity and love. I couldn't explain this in words, so please watch this spectacular drama on Netflix with a 16+ age rating.
아저씨가 정말로 행복했으면 했어요.
그렇게.
Yoo Hae-jin works as a dentist. She is mostly a realist, but due to her rightfulness, her life changes. She ends up moving to a seaside village. There she meets Hong Do-sik. She becomes curious about him. Hong Do-sik is called Chief Hong by the local residents. He is a handsome and smart man. Officially he is unemployed, but he always seems busy. If somebody needs help, Hong Do-sik is the first one to appear and provide help.
나 김연아 같지?
This is a cute love story set in the seaside village. I started watching because of the seaside location and the cinematography. But trust me, the story has all the elements to hook us into the drama. It has small and big moments which enlighten our moods and gives us so many life experiences. Watch this amazing 16+ drama with your loved ones. Cha Ji-won is a detective. She is married to Baek Hee-sung and they have a daughter. He seems like a committed husband and father, but actually he hides his cruel past and lives under another person's identity. He deceives his wife completely. Cha Ji-won learns of his deception and chases his past. The plot is intriguing and thrilling from the very beginning itself. Every episode ends with a twist that kicks our anticipation level enormously. It also has a lot of beautiful and emotional scenes which melts our heart. Maybe this is why Korean drama gets this much acclamation. Please watch this 16+ rated drama for a thrilling experience. Sang-guru is a young man with Asperger's syndrome. He works for his father's business Move to Heaven. Their job is to arrange items left by deceased people. One day, Guru's father dies and he is left alone, but his uncle Sang-guru suddenly appears in front of him. Sang-guru is a cold man. He was a martial artist who fought in underground matches. He went to prison because of what happened at his fight. Sang-guru now becomes Guru's guardian. They run Move to Heaven together.
수련인이면 좀 보호자다워야 되고 그래야 되는 거 아니에요? 그렇죠. 그 사람은 깡패 같아요, 깡패.
구루군의 후견인이 되기 위해선 3개월의
This series is different in its content. I never heard trauma cleaning until I watched this. The series is all about emotions and feelings, especially empathy towards the deceased who are no more in the world, yet they have left their own message to their loved ones. Their performance deeply touches our hearts and make us cry in many places. This has a 18+ view rating.
고인의 유품을 정리하러 온 고부투 해군의 한 그룹입니다.
Lee Dong-sik was once a capable detective. He now works at the Mayang police substation in a small city and does all the tedious chores at the station. One day, Detective Hang Jo-won is transferred to the same police substation. He is assigned to work as Lee Dong-sik's boss and also his partner. Hang Jo-won is an elite detective and comes from a distinguished background. A serial murder case takes place in the small peaceful city. The case is the same serial murder case that took place 20 years ago and changed Lee Dong-sik's life. The two detectives work to catch the killer.
여긴요, 비밀이 없어. 어디서 누군가.
It is an amazing thriller drama with a brilliant script and screenplay. What I liked about this drama is they entirely focus on the story of an elusive serial killer, and the mystery doesn't stop even when the identity of the serial killer is revealed. But yes, there are draggy and repetitive scenes in a few episodes. Apart from that, this is a worth watching 16+ rated drama.
뭐지 별로 안 닮았네. 뭐야 분위기 왜 이래?
이름을 말하면 안 되는 뭐 그런 게 있나 봐.
Kim Do-ki graduated from the Naval Academy and became an underwater demolition team official. His life has changed upside down when his mother was murdered by a serial killer. Kim Do-ki is now a deluxe taxi driver and works for Rainbow Taxi Company. The company is not just an ordinary taxi company. The company offers a special revenge call service. If clients ask them to take revenge, Kim Do-ki and his co-workers will perform the service.
대체 왜 그랬냐? 난 어떻게든 용서가 안 되겠다.
본인은 흔적도 없이 사라졌어요.
In one word, I would say amazing. Each episode is unique and blows our minds. The male protagonist acting is on top notch. The fact that the cases they take are based on real life incidents and other prevailing social evils is really a good thing. These are issues that need to be talked about, and I am glad that they are portraying them through the episodes. This Amazon Prime series has a 16+ viewers rating. Ji Hyung is the best relief baseball pitcher in Korea. He will go to the US and sign a contract with a major league team. One night, he hears his sister screaming and sees a man running out of her apartment. Ji Hyung and the man get into a physical struggle, and unfortunately he strikes the man with a rock. Later, he receives a 1-year prison sentence for using excessive force. Devastated, Ji Hyung must adapt to life in prison now. If you like prison drama, then this one is for you. This is very heartwarming, but the initial episodes were a little drag and slow. But then the story starts captivating the heart. The series has a 16+ view rating.